Okay, so we're going to do the on-the-air test to the SMC Oscar One, and I did do the lamp in that. You can see a little bit of a dim glow. The lamps aren't; these aren't backlit. There's a proper lamp holder which the manufacturer puts in, but it just kind of shines upwards a bit because they're not a backlit type of meter. So there you go, pretty crummy as far as that bit goes, but of course the radios are superb, and that's what it's about. So let's see with Mr Chippie. He's on Mr Chippie channel. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Hello?
Yeah, just making sure I'm there.
Yeah, you there.
Right, I'm now ready.
Roger, off we go then.
Roger Dodger. Right, we'll get our extension speaker plugged in. Especially if I can find where the socket is. So we're running with the factory original mic.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got no tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station 133.9 and 142.9.
Oh good, it's still open.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Right, we're passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. From Mr Chippie, we're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over. What have you got you loud and clear, go around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford on Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
SMC Oscar One from 1981, which is Cybernet 134 chassis, 4-4 output. I'm on the factory with my microphone over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems. Over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 for Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this SMC Oscar One from 1981, using the Cybernet 134, starting doing 1.05 amps and doing a 4 volt output, and then probably onto low power. Here we go on to low power 5 volt. There we are, low power now, 40. Here we are. There we are, back on full power, over.
Roger that, no problem, on full power. I didn't have to override the squelch, funnily off, on low power, but it was very noisy and you were hard to hear.
Yeah, roger on that, but the conditions are better this end anyway, this is pretty sensitive. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you on the move again.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Roast Level Crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9 and 144.7.
Roger that, that was absolutely fine, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Roast Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price today at that end, please?
Yep, 138.9 and 144.7.
Roger on that, that worked absolutely fine, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that,
10-10. Okay, well that's super duper. We'll go through our base station. They always do work well, and as long as you don't care about meters, it's one of those, these are Cybernet sets as I said, and it's the only one that came in this kind of styling. But there was another Cybernet set with a tiny meter, the same tiny meter, just as useless, and that was the Barnatone Speedway. Same chassis, but on the Speedway it's not the enhanced version of this chassis. So the chassis used has got the extra circuits that you get on the Rotel 240, on the Harvard 420M, the Barnatone 5-star, whereas the board, which although it's the same board, it hasn't the same receive parts in, it's the same board as you get on the Rotel 220, so on the Barnatone Speedway. But they're the two Cybernets with the tiny meter. So we'll go to our base station, which also has the same chassis in it, and we'll see what that sounds like.
Tango 21, setting the SMC Oscar One into our Midland 7600 base station.